Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you one of my recent sales on Redbubble regarding an amazing and an evergreen niche you have to work in right now on Redbubble. And now let me show you that Redbubble sales message. Let's go. This one, you have made a sale. It was 12 hours ago, as you see. This customer from Canada, and our design is about running. And you see art print of running lover jogging exercise. And as you see here, there are two lessons you have to keep in your mind if you want to get more sales organically from Redbubble. The first one is about title, tags, and description. Second one is how to create these such designs even if you're a beginner or a newbie on Redbubble or in print-on-demand business in general. So first of all, about the title of your design. Running lover and jogging exercise. I always tell you, you gotta select the main keyword of your design that has less search results or is less competitive keyword. And for sure, running niche is a highly competitive niche. Therefore, you have to pick one of the less crowded keywords. That gives you more opportunities to show up higher on Redbubble search results. And to get straight to this point, let me show you that practically on Redbubble homepage. So we can go together to Redbubble, and here we can type something about running, like running. Okay. And as you see here, you can find this running keyword or running niche is highly congested niche. Over 200,000 search results. So you have to keep in your eyes on these suggestions from Redbubble because it's the most searched terms by customers regarding running and marathon and so on, like fitness, motivation, marathoner, track and field, hobbying, corpse, running lover, happy camper, and so on. So you have to select the main keyword of your design that is relevant to your running niche, as in our case, running lover. So click over that. And here you can find this keyword has less search results than the first word, which is about 20,000 results. So here you have to work on that keyword as a main keyword of your design. And as you see here, you can find my design ranking high on the first page on Redbubble regarding this keyword. As you see, running lover jogging exercise. So the first step here, you have to keep in mind that you have to select the main keyword of your design that has less search results. And just we can go back to our drawing board, our design. And here you can find the second part of our title, jogging exercise. It's an alternative of running word or a synonym of your word that has the same meaning of your main keyword. Therefore, you can expand the circle of possibilities to get found by customers who are looking for running niche. For example, we can use something like running, skipping, sprinting, jogging, and so on and so forth. And of course, you have to use these synonyms in your tags. So here I use this one, jogging exercise, as an alternative or a synonym for my main keyword, which is running lover. Okay, perfect. And if you have a look at my tags and my description, as you see, running lover jogging exercise, just you can scroll down to the description part. As you see, looking for a unique t-shirt to wear on your next run, look no further than ours. Our t-shirt features a design for a running person that is sure to get you noticed, in addition to its stylish running design. So go ahead and pick one up today. So here you have to write a description of your design that describes your design, plus a call to action. As you see here, go ahead and pick one today. And of course, I got this copy from one of the powerful artificial intelligence tools. I can take them as a description generator, which is copy.ai. So just I insert some details about my design, like running lover t-shirt, and just gives me one of these beautiful copies like this one. And as for tags of that design, as you see, you gotta use some relevant and related keywords. As here, running t-shirts, cross country, run t-shirt, running for girls, marathon, walking, runners, running, sayings, running lover, fitness t-shirts, trail, running, exercise, jogging, and so on and so forth. And of course, don't forget to use some synonyms or alternatives to your main keyword of your design. And now let's go together to the second part of this video, which is how to create these such designs easily and quickly. For sure, you can create these such designs on Photoshop or Illustrator, but if you don't have expertise to deal with these professional softwares, so you can create this with some simple steps. First of all, this design is kind of stackable font. You can look for these such fonts on Google. Simply just you can go to Google and write here something about stacked fonts or stackable fonts or something, and then you can find a lot of premium and free websites that provide you with a lot of stacked fonts and so on and so forth, like FontSpace, FontMeme, Creative Fabrica, and so on and so forth. For example, on Creative Fabrica, and I really recommend this amazing platform, like this font, stacked font. So you can use that to create your beautiful design, stacked font. Or this one, crayon font, as you see, with commercial use. Or this one, faded font. Or that one, super stacked font. Or that amazing one, Go Sport font, and so on and so forth. So you can select as you want from these stackable or stacked fonts used to create your beautiful design about running, about marathon, about walking, or anything else. And now, how to create your design simply and for free. And for that, I would recommend you an amazing platform that is Vista Create. And you can take Vista Create as a head-to-head alternative to Canva.com to create your social media posts, to create your designs. And here you find a lot of amazing features that you will not find on free account on Canva.com, like background removal. You can download your design with transparent background and so on and so forth. So quickly and simply in this video, how to create this such design or stackable font. Simply, firstly, you have to get your favorite font from any website, like this one, for example, stacked font, and you can click over that, download to your device. And here on Vista Create, just you can go to custom size and insert your dimensions for width and for height. For example, I quickly 1000 for height and width. Okay, quickly, and create your design. And one of the best thing here on Vista Create, unlike Canva.com, is that you are able to upload your external font. Okay, so we can go text and my fonts and upload your font, your custom fonts, styles, and add text simply and quickly, as you see, and just to make it bigger. Perfect. Then added your main keyword or the main keyword of your design. For example, we can add something like running. Perfect. And now we can go to change this font from here and go to for my recent fonts or your uploaded fonts, like my tagged font. Select it, and simply you will find your word. It converts automatically to your stackable font, as you see. So you can make it bigger a little bit. And now the next step here, how to add your colors to this stackable font or this stacked design, simply and quickly. If you go back to my design, as here you can find some hidden colors or some different colors like orange, yellow, green, blue, and so on. So the best way and the simplest way to do that, and one of the most beautiful things here on Vista Create to create your designs, unlike on Canva.com, is you can add a fill effect. That means you can fill your text with any background, with any photo. So firstly, you have to add a mask to this design or this word. I click over that, and you can find up here a lot of editing tools. One of them, like this one, FX. Click over this three dots, and then you can find this adding a mask, apply a mask to this word. Click over that. Perfect. and go to photo or any background that you have uploaded to Vista Create. So for example, we can go to photos or backgrounds, for example, and here you can add anything to this mask effect to fill this design or this stackable design with any photo. For example, we can take this picture as you see. That's it. We can take this one as you see, or this one for example. Perfect. Or this gradient color for Instagram, and so on and so forth. And of course you can search any background or any photo, some gradient colors, some palette colors, some rainbow colors, and so on and so forth. For example, if we go together to Creative Fabrica, so you can type here something like vintage retro sunset palettes or something like that, and you can find a lot and huge amounts of backgrounds in different colors and different styles as you see. So you can pick one of these beautiful backgrounds to fill your stackable design with it. For example, we can select one of these beautiful ones like this one, this bundle. So I want to use one of these beautiful backgrounds, so I just downloaded simply and quickly to fill my stackable design with it. After extracting your files from the zip file, okay, so we can go back to Vista Create. So we can go to My Files, Upload Image. Therefore, you can select your favorite background or your photo to fill your stackable font or your stackable design. And just then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.